Hey guys, Gary here with Automatic Door and Hardware, and today I thought I'd talk about a subject we get a lot, and that is what is the most common type of door closer? And the answer to that would be the surface-mounted door closer. So essentially, there are really three kind of categories of door closers, broadly speaking, and that's in-ground or floor-mounted door closers, overhead concealed transom type door closers, and surface-mounted door closers. So with the surface mounted door closers, these are the closers that you see on, I would say 99% of the commercial doors in retail stores, shopping centers, etc. Essentially, you'll see it mounted either to the door, top of the door itself on the hinge side, or on the frame. And that's one reason why they are so popular, is because of the versatility with mounting. Surface mounted door closer can actually be mounted three ways. Parallel arm mount, where the closer body is mounted on the push side of the door, and the arm is mounted to the top of the frame head. And then there's also the top jam installation, where the closer body is mounted on the top of the door frame push side and the arm is mounted to the door. And then there's regular or standard installation, where the closer body is mounted on the pull side of the door and then the arm is mounted to the top of the frame. So it gives the installer, a huge amount of flexibility in terms of where to put the door closer, which is great for retrofit applications. But another reason why it's is the most popular choice is due to price as well. What you'll find is that a surface mounted door closer, although you can get really expensive ones, the ones you see on almost all commercial doors and buildings are really inexpensive in comparison to a floor closer. A floor closer can run anywhere from $1,000, whereas a good commercial door closer, like our Commando commercial door closers, will only run you about $100 to $200, and that's including all the bells and whistles. And even concealed closers are more expensive than the surface mount door closers. But in regards to the concealed closer and floor closer, those are often primarily used when architects spec certain design, because the door closers, like the floor closer and the concealed closers, always tend to require more prep anyways. They're not the type of closers that you would be able to retrofit. You only really find those in the original construction plans or the original construction of a building, where the architect specified that type of concealed closer or floor closer, and then the door manufacturer prepped the entire door system so that it could use that. So that essentially is why a surface mount door closer is really used by contractors, commercial building owners, door technicians, really anybody, because it's not just used in new construction, it can also be used as a retrofit application too. So I hope this helps, guys. If you're in need of a commercial door closer, whether it be surface mount, overhead concealed, or floor, we do carry our own Commando door closer line. I'll link it below. These door closers are tri-packed standard, so that they can be installed on any of the three ways: top jam, parallel arm mount, or standard regular. They're also UL10C for use on fire-rated steel doors or fire-rated commercial doors. And they're also fully adjustable with and include a fully adjustable closing spring. So literally any type of door size or commercial door width you have, these door closers can be used on them. And I'll put the link down below, guys. All right, thanks again. Email us if you have any questions, sales@autodoorandhardware.com, or visit our website, autodoorandhardware.com. Thanks.